Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. I am going to explain about how to configure Zentel's Microsoft Outlook compatible mail server. First, log in into the Zentel server. Now we can see the packages that you need to install to configure the Microsoft Outlook compatible mail server. You need to install the DNS service, firewall, mail service, NTP service, network configuration, OpenChange server, OpenChange webmail, user and computers, and file sharing and domain services. After selecting the modules, give install and give OK. Now the packages are being installed. This will take some time. Now the modules are installed. Next you need to configure the network interface. Now select internal and give next. And for the external interface, select the method as static and enter the IP address and the gateway and then the DNS. Now give next, and in the type of server select the server as standalone server and give the host domain name. The host domain name will be generated automatically. Now give next. Now for the default virtual mail domain, you need to give the name. I'm giving linuxhelp.com. Now give finish. Now the changes are being made in the modules. Now the installation is completed. Now click go to dashboard. Now we can see the module configurations. First we can configure the DNS. Now select the DNS module, and in DNS module you need to add the forwarders. Now click add new and enter the DNS forwarder IP. Now click add, and I'm going to add another forwarder. Now add new. Now click add, and after adding the forwarders, click save changes and save. Now the changes are being made in the modules. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now we can configure the firewall module. Now click firewall and select the packet filter, and you need to configure the filtering rules from external networks to the Zentel. Click configure rules, and in configure rules you need to add new rules. Click add new, and the decision is accept, and the source is any, and the service you need to add. So click add new. The service name is mail and click add. Now the mail service is created. Now click add, and the next we need to add the another rule. So click add new, and the decision is accept, and the source is any, and the service is HTTP, and click add. And another rule is the decision is accept, source is any, and the service is HTTPS, and click add. We can remove all the default rules that are available. So I'm going to delete mail submission, incoming mail service, and the SMTP. Now click save changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Next we can configure the certification authority. So click the certification authority module and click general and enter the organization name. I'm going to give Linux help, and the other three are optional. Now click create. After creating, now give save changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now we can see the activation of the OpenChange module. Now select the OpenChange module and click setup and tick the enable OpenChange accounts for all existing users. Now click setup. Now the database is configured. Now click save changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now go to the web server and enable the HTTPS listening port. Now click enable and click change. Now click save changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now we can configure the user template. Now go to the users and computers module and click manage and select the user, and in modules configuration click the mail account settings, and here you can give the quota type. If you want to specify the mailbox size, you can select custom quota and give your mailbox size. Otherwise, set it as default quota. Now we need to enable the mail retrieval from the external accounts. Now click enable it and select the retrieve mail for external accounts and click change and click Save Changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now go to the Users and Computers module and select User Template. In User Template, you can select the default user quota, or you can disable this, and you can select the mail account to create a mail account using the default domain, and you need to enable the open change account. So click now tick enable open change account and click change and click save changes and save. Now the changes are made. Now click OK. Now go to the Windows machine. Now open the Outlook, Microsoft Outlook application. Now give next. Now give next. Enter your name. I am giving user2 and enter the email ID, that is user2 at linuxhelp.com. Now give the password for the user. Now give next. Now give yes to proceed. Now it is searching for the server settings. This will take some time. Now give finish. Now give yes to proceed and select don't make changes and give OK. Now we can see the user2 at linuxhelp.com is integrated with the Microsoft Outlook. Here's the inbox and here's the calendar contacts. Now go to the Zentel server and click the Open Change module, and in the Open Change module you can access the Open Change webmail. Just click Open Change webmail and you can see the login screen of the webmail. Now give the username and the password and select the language and give connect. And now you can see the mail is open. And here you can see the inbox, and this is the preferences. You can make changes to the Zogo, and you can select the calendar and add events to the calendar, and you have the address book. Here you can add your contacts. Now we have configured the Zentel's Microsoft Outlook compatible mail server. Thank you for watching.